Hello and welcome to this lecture from this course named NFTs Discovery. In this one we are going to talk about how to find good NFT projects, and this is going to probably be the most important lecture for you if you want to invest in NFTs and you don't want to create them and sell them yourself. So let's dive into the information. Follow social media influencers. This is the first tip that I can give you, or we can give you. Now, Twitter seems to be the place for NFT tips. There are many influencers, and if you follow the right people, you can get some good insights on upcoming projects. Most of the crypto crowd, let's say so, or the elite from crypto, uses Twitter as a main social media platform. So that's the place to be if you want to follow people which actually have influence in the space and also have insights from different projects. YouTube is another place where you can find good upcoming projects from different crypto influencers. So again, YouTube is a more general social media platform, but you can find a lot of people over there who are recommending NFT projects. But obviously Twitter is a better place because sometimes you can find them, let's say, with some time in advance. Join Discord groups. Discord seems to be the main channel for NFTs communities. So if you are going to look at all, let's say, NFT projects, they use as a communication channel Discord and not Telegram, which probably you are used to already. Find a few good groups and see what everyone's buzzing about. Also, if you want to see if a project has potential, join their Discord group, interact with the community, see if the community is actually very involved in the project and very active. That can be a green flag for you and for that project. Follow NFTs launch calendars. This is another, let's say, a good point where you can start your research, or a good place where you can start your research. There are a few platforms like nftscalendar.io, nftevening.com, niftyselects.com, and others. If you are going to go on Google and just search for upcoming NFTs, you will find more calendars like that. We recommend following more of these platforms, as not all projects are listed everywhere. Do your research in more places, as that is how you can find useful information to base your investment decisions on. Now, another important thing is to know what to look at. Okay, so you find some NFT projects, you think they have potential, what you are actually looking at. See which is the team behind the project and if they have experience and so on. For example, if you find an NFT project which you think has potential and you see that the team has already launched other NFT projects and they were successful, obviously they have a good track record and the chances are higher for this new project to have success as well. Partnerships. If a project has good strategic partnerships, it is obviously that it has higher chances to succeed. Then there is utility. A thing you should look for is the utility of the NFT. Over time, this should increase the value of the token. Okay, for example, a lot of influencers are creating or launching NFTs which have different types of utilities that probably you wouldn't think about, like getting access to founders from big tech companies, or being able to join a Discord group where you can talk with business people and maybe get business ideas or do partnerships and stuff like that. So they have like exclusive communities. Also, there are NFTs who have utility like going to specific parties or attending specific events, okay, and other things like that. So it's a very, very diverse, let's say, diverse world in the NFT space. But utility is something that you have to take in consideration. A project which doesn't have, or an NFT project which doesn't have utility is just artwork, and if it's not from an artist, okay, it will not last in value, or it's very unlikely to last in value. So at one point, the team that creates the project has to give it utility. So that's about it. We hope that you have enjoyed this course and that it sheds some light on the whole NFT space. And we thank you very much for your attention.